In this video, we will learn how to turn on anonymous mode in Fortnite. In order to turn on anonymous mode in Fortnite, all you need to do is click on your profile button, which is on the top right hand side of your screen. From here, you need to head to the gear button. After coming into the settings menu, all you need to do is click on the last moves tab, which is your accounts tab. From here, you scroll down until you go to the gameplay privacy tab. In here, you select the second option and turn it on, which essentially means hide your display name during regular gameplay. It will hide your name from all the other players in the lobby, and a anonymous tag will be shown in its place. So we'll just click apply on it, then head back to the lobby. Now while in game, every player in your lobby will see an anonymous tag in top of your head with a tag number, because there are other anonymous players in here who have turned the setting on. So this way you can hide your privacy and enjoy the game without any issues. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.